Hey, well, good afternoon, everybody. King of the Kern here, coming to you as always from the Riverview Lodge in downtown Kernville. It is a brisk winter day here in January. It's actually January the 14th today. We've been, I lost all my intros to a bunch of these videos, so I'm gonna have to shoot them all over again here. So this video right here, this was down on the actual main Kern River where I was sluicing some flood gold. So most of it gets explained in the video, so I'll let that do that. But this happened actually about a month ago, and so just barely getting the video up now. And I got a couple more going to be coming out too, so stay tuned for that. And going to try and get some more content out to you guys. Hopefully some off-road stuff here real soon, and a lot more prospecting, obviously. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you on the river. Hey guys, King of the Kern here, coming to you again from Kern River. Came down today, got a few hours. I'm going to try and sluice a little more flood gold. It's basically the same spot as I had last time. I'm just going to go ahead and basically I'm going to chase. This is my hole last time. I went deep. I don't know if you guys can see down in there, but it's down past elbow deep. But basically it's paste streak that runs right down along here. So what I'm going to do this time, I got either this big boulder here or some smaller rocks to start dealing with. So that big rock right there, I'm going to try and push it out of the way, I'm hoping, and go back up that way, maybe another 4 or 5 feet today, and clean that out. But like I say, it's just flood gold, nothing fantastic, but it's adding up. It's a nice little streak, little pocket here. So I'm gonna get to digging, and I'll let you guys watch that here in just a little bit, and then I'll get up to the sluice box. Took me a minute. The river's way down. I don't know if you guys were here last time. I'd have been standing in the water. You guys saw where I was digging last time, and I talked about the water being up to that rock, and it's way down. It's about half of what it was this last time. So that's my little sluice spot kind of dried up, so I had to open up a new one and get it. I think I got it running decent. It looks like it. I threw a few handfuls through, and it looks like it's running good. So I'm just going to start pounding it. I'm going to try a very limited time here. Again, 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to hope, and I'm by myself, so I'm going to hope to slam about 3 buckets through at least. That would be nice of classified material. All right, so we'll see you out there. See you here in a little bit, and you can watch me dig. Bye. All right, guys. I know you've heard me say it before, but the last time I didn't do it, but this time I'm going to be smart. Put my gloves on. And guys, always dealing with old broken glass. Fortunately, we got 100 years worth of broken glass on this river. It started with the original prospectors. And in the 70s, we didn't have so much, didn't have the environmental thoughts that we do now. Guys, this is just disgusting too. If you're gonna come down here, don't shit and leave your stuff here. Oh, it's nasty. guys, over last. That's why I did here. Let them hold down. We go away. Long got a lot of trouble. Get on the roof. Take money about this. All the way out there. I'm probably counting every big rocks. Okay. For the blood. Right? More water milk. Hi guys, so last time I was here I had more water. My sluice box is actually over here. You can see water's way down. So I've had to move it over here. Threw a few handfuls through just to make sure everything looked like it was running good. You know, I got some material staying behind the ripples, which is good. A little bit of sand in the mat, always good. Beads looking decent. Don't have too much buildup on either side, it doesn't look like. Water's coming off the back pretty level. So there's my bucket, got my bucket of material. So I'm gonna set this up here, let you guys watch me feed a few buckets through, and we'll see what we got. But I think everything's looking decent. Got a little bit of sun on the box too, which is always nice. Don't know how long that's gonna last, but you know, if you're looking for gold, you let that shine. So, all right, let me set up and we'll get to sluicing. Again, guys, what I like to see, I want to see my material just slowly peeling back. Get a good chance to run across there, sticking on the mat, and slowly clean itself off. It's fall, so I'm having to deal with leaves getting caught up. Yeah, I think I got a little more water than what I normally do, or a little more angle. I would say it's running just a little hotter than what I normally do. Clean it out a little quicker. Due to the angle of the water, the one side is building up a little bit, but it'll clean itself out. Sand's building up behind the ripples, but it cleans out pretty quickly. Corner's clearing out quick. So I think I'm looking pretty good. See my first piece of lead down on the mat. So if a BB's getting caught on the mat, I should be good catching gold. Well, I knocked it out. We'll see if it stays in or not. Looks like it's staying there at the end of the mat. So. When I say a BB, I'm talking lead. Fishing weights usually. Sometimes bird shot. But that's a good indication. Heavies are there. Let that mat clear out just a little bit. Because, once again guys, because the gold's so small here, I like my mat to run, my box to run a little slow. I want it to build up a little bit and slowly clear out. I want everything to drag over every single thing, sit in every deep spot it can, get caught, I'm looking for that stuff, get caught anywhere it can. So I don't mind waiting a little bit for my box to clear out. If it's fine, as long as those fines are cleaning out, I'm doing all right. We're hoping for a little chunk flood gold, but that doesn't mean there's not going to be any pieces that show up. I'd sure love to see some bigger pieces show up. Alright, so I'm going to finish this bucket out, guys. I'm going to do some digging, and when I get back over here, we start seeing something show up after I run a bucket or two. I'll give you guys the goods on that real quick, alright? So, see you in just a little bit. Alright guys, we've been running a little while. Hoping you guys can see that gold showing up down in there. Got a little bit more down along the edges here. There's a piece right up there by that split shot. You guys can see that. But we're getting it starting to show up through here a little bit. Can't really see. I'm hoping it shows up better for you guys. It should. Let me get out here. Focus. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. That usually helps. There we go. There's it. I can see that gold. But I'm just a little over a bucket into it. I'm going to run some more, but as you can see, there's a lot, starting to catch a lot of lead. As I move forward, the lead really increased. So that's a good sign. I'm thinking heavier stuff a little further up. More where I got my original first test pan. So anyway, guys, probably not going to see you until we get back to the lodge. So I'm going to finish running so I can get some more material in and hopefully have some good gold in the box. So we'll see you back at the lodge. Okay, guys. So I ran out of daylight, but I just wanted to show you what the lead. Let me get that reflection out of there. There we go. That's just the lead I found. I'm going to finish up all the rest of it, but last time I know I blew some lead out of my box that I'd seen in there, so I wasn't real comfortable. So I'm glad to see that I'm catching my lead again. Good thing. That'll all obviously be coming out of the river. I'll throw that in my little lead jar thing I got and save that up. And next time you see me, we'll clean that gold up. I really didn't get a chance to run a ton. I ran out of daylight. Truthfully, daylight savings caught me, and used to be the sun would go down about 4. Well, now it's 3, and I didn't get down there until afternoon. So anyway, we'll see you at the cleanup. Alright, so here is our final cleanup. Zoom in a little bit. You guys see that? Make sure it's focused good. That's it, guys. That's our final. Now I realize that was only 3 half buckets, so a bucket and a half of material. And again, you know, there's my hand, so you know, it's a finish pan. That's not a full pan, but not bad for a bucket and a half. You know, I always get gold there. That's a good thing. It's going to go into the snuffer bottle and join all the rest of it. But daylight savings got me. You know, I just ran out of time. It started getting dark, and I'm right up against a mountain, so the sun goes down real quick. It pops behind that mountain. It starts getting, you get shadow and get dark. So, and it's just kind of, I don't like being down there really after dark. So, anyway, guys, a little bit more. Add to it, and I got some other spots that I want to really check out, but I need to take some time and get to them. So all right, till the next video. Heavy pans to everybody.